Minister Hardeep Singh Puri. And Hardeep Singh Puri ji, thank you very much for joining us right here on Times Now. We're looking at exit poll results. We've seen 109 seats as of now in Lok Sabha. 75 of those going to the BJP. The states that we've seen, Jharkhand, you're doing very well. Kerala, as expected, 1 seat. Vote share has gone up. We've looked at Gujarat, 26 on 26. No surprises there. We've also seen the states of Rajasthan. And Rajasthan, the BJP is taking a little bit of the beating. And many analysts say that Agniveer could be an issue, though it's not impacted Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, but it's impacting you in Rajasthan. How do you see the states that have come out so far and the BJP's performance this far?
Navika ji, I want to recall your very warm, literally very warm hospitality on Kartavya Path to me a few days ago. And I had then predicted, and I saw some trace of cynicism in your expression. I had predicted that we will be closer to 356. Now, you said 3 because third term and 56, you tried to make light of it. But, you know, from whatever I've seen on your channel this evening and on other channels, and I want to recall that in 2014 and 2019, the exit polls were giving us a number and we did much better than that. So when I draw great encouragement from whatever you are saying, I'm seeing 48% vote share in Karnataka, opening our account in Kerala, doing very well in, Andhra and Telangana. We haven't come to West Bengal, but I say same story. Odisha, same story. Yes, you mentioned Rajasthan. I contest those figures because this is an exit poll. But all right, even if Rajasthan, and I said I don't contest it, I think we'll do well. But look at the pluses in everywhere else. And when you come to Uttar Pradesh, etc. So on 303, as I said, 10% more means 333, 15% more means 345. And I think after you cross 292 or 300, you don't know where the needle is going to stop. But contrast this with the absurd and false narrative that we were being subjected to, including earlier this day by the Indie Alliance. They live in cuckoo land. If they're saying that we are going to be confined to a particular figure, where are the other seats?
They've predicted, Mallikarjun Kharge has predicted 295 seats for the India Alliance. Are you challenging that number?
Who am I to challenge? I'm just a BJP Karyakarta. I am a foot soldier. All I'm saying is that Mallikarjun Kharge's prediction, 2 days from now, the party Parivarik control, I'm talking about, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Mrs. Vadra Gandhi, and they will all say, yeah, mishandle kar diya president ne. So it's very easy, they'll just change their president, let him be the fall guy. So I'm not challenging, all I'm saying is these are exit polls, but the exit polls are pointing in a direction which is based on Modi 10 years Vikas. Good governance is good politics. The politics of developmental delivery as against the politics of freebies, prosperity versus distribution, irresponsibility, uniting India for nation building versus dividing India. These are the broad themes. And there are people. Look, when you get the granular
Puri Sahab, allow me to speak with you in Punjabi. Campaign hun khatam ho gaya hai. Hun numbers dasso ji. The whole country wants to know the numbers.
Number daste raha.
356. Are you still on that? 356.
मैं enjoy कर रहा सीगा करते ना देखो जी ये थोड़ा जा sleight of hand हो रहा है ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ 400 ਪਾਰ which means 400 is a sentiment ਅਗਰ 345 ਆਏ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ allies ਦੇ 40-50 ਆ ਗਏ ਤਾਂ 400 ਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਹੀ ਗਏ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ
okay all right so then what would your response to the India Alliance be, which is saying there is no wave in this election?
ना, पर वेव की परिभाषा क्या है? नो वेव। अगर हमारी 340-50 आती हैं तो वेव कहां से की क्या बात है? वेव हवा चलने से थोड़ा होती है। ईवीएम खोलेगी कहां से पता लगेगी क्या है? अभी तो विमेन वोट देखिए, आप विमेन वोट देखिए, और जो हमारे इन्होंने जो सनातन पे अटैक किया है और बाकी चीजें की है, व्हेन यू गेट देम ऑल टुगेदर, आई थिंक दे आर फेसिंग एन एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्राइसिस.
All right, Hardeep Singh Puri there. Sabha Naqvi has a question for you.
No, I don't. I wanted to say something about Rajasthan.
All right, thank you very much, Hardeep Singh Puri, for joining us. Clearly, there is no lack of confidence in the BJP camp there.